In Layout and Grid panel, you can see containers, sections, and grid system components to form the layout. Containers are the most basic layout element in Bootstrap and are required when using our default grid system. Let us drag the container component into the canvas. Bootstrap's grid system allows up to 12 columns across the page. They are responsive, and the columns will rearrange automatically depending on the screen size. Next we can drag grid columns into the container. Grid 6 is divided into 2 equal columns, Grid 4 is divided into 3 equal columns, and Grid 3 is divided into 4 equal columns. For more options you can make use of Custom Grid. Custom Grid allows you to define your own grid columns. For example, you can split the column as 8 plus 4 equals 12. Let us drag and drop the Custom Grid component into the canvas. Note that Grid System Components automatically adds row class. You can drop various components into the grid columns. Let us drag an image card into the grid column. Note that containers provide a means to center and horizontally pad your site's contents. You can also select the parent element of the grid column using the simple canvas inspector below the toolbar. Click on the column, go to the inspector, click on the appropriate element to select its parent element. To delete the element in the canvas, just right-click and click on the delete element. You can use Fluid component for a full-width container, spanning the entire width of the viewport. One last thing. You can modify the column responsive class names easily. Just click on the column, under Element Properties. You can change the responsive class names in the class text box. For more information on Bootstrap Grid System you can refer the Bootstrap documentation. You can find all the useful links below.